Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i Nightfall Edition in frozen black with a Tacora Red and black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i Nightfall Edition in frozen black. I've just pressed unlock and we've got some headlights going on there. And we got the iconic glow kidney grille lit up. And I like how the X6 lights up all the way around, which is pretty sweet. So what I will do is let me do a little lap all the way around. Frozen black is definitely neck breaker. Car looks amazing. Nightfall Edition is debadged as well. So now that we have done this lap all the way around the car, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got the lovely frozen black. Look at that paint. It is a matte finish and it just looks spectacular. Now obviously with the frozen paints, it's gonna take a little bit more TLC. I would highly recommend PPF and ceramic coat to keep this thing protected and looking great. But man, that frozen black really shows off all the lines. And I like how it's still reflective, but all the reflections are muted. It looks really cool. And we have the BMW Rondell up front. We have the matte black one-piece kidney grille with the vertical slats and the active grille shutters behind there. Down here you can also see we've got the radar puck at the front. We also have all this functional air down here at the bottom and a few more active grille shutters. Kidney grille is lit up as well. Has a real cool look to it that way. And of course we've got the double chevron headlights looking real sweet. And if we take a closer look, these are the Shadowline chevron lights with those little triangle patterns all over. Looks real good. Now if we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 22-inch double spoke 742M wheels with the red M Sport brake there, which looks real good. I love the way that the red caliper pops. And we've got this little cutout feature on the fender. But because of the frozen paint, you can really see how it kind of swoops up and then back down in a sharp line. And you've got this nice swooping body line up into the rear door. And we have door handles that have the touch comfort access towards the front. We also have the carbon fiber side mirrors exclusive to this edition. And we also have sunroof up top, big giant bow. Yes, this one is sold. And here's your rear quarter area with your rear 742M wheel and that red caliper back there. So if I step back for a second, and you can see that sports activity coupe side profile. There's also a welcome light carpet down here. It's a little bit hard to see because of the brightness in here. And we also have the new style antenna. There's a little bit of a deck lid spoiler at the top, and we have the exclusive carbon fiber spoiler for the Nightfall Edition, which looks real good. And when I step back here, the rear proportions of the X6 are just so muscular, and you have that sort of inverted L-shaped tail light, which is very bold. You've got the horizontal reflectors down here. Rear end is also fully debadged, so there's nothing here telling us that this is an X6. And we have the freeform exhaust down here, rear diffuser, and it doesn't actually say it here, but this is the M Performance muffler. So I've got the key with me. Let me go ahead and kick my foot underneath here. So once this opens up, we've got the X6 cargo cover. It can be folded up. The whole thing can also be removed. And there's actually a storage cutout here that it can be stored in. We have your carpeted mats. The winter ones are on the floor. Wheel lock keys, tow hooks. We also have a 12-volt plug here with some illumination. There's some fuse stuff, fuse panel box behind that panel there. There's a grocery bag hanger on this side, and if I pull this off, down here we have a tire inflator kit. And once we are done with this, you can close this to hide your contents. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly just kick our foot underneath. To have this closed the hands-free way, I love this angle. And if I go ahead and press the 9 o'clock position on the fuel cap door, we have a need here for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a little spot to put this while you refuel. And when you're done, it's clockwise, 1 click. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we have beautiful Tacora Red and black interior with the rear sunshades. We also have your door pull, window switch, carbon fiber trim, some ambient light, and a door pocket down here. We have the aluminum illuminating M door sill. We have the rear seating area. There's a little release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. There's also a little stirrup here to tie up your seatbelt so it's not getting tangled in things if you do have the seats folded down and you're putting things through. We also have the armrest in the center with some cup holders here towards the front, storage space, and once the armrest is down, you can find the string for the center pass-through. Up top, we've got the Alcantara headliner. We also have some reading lights up top in the middle. You can also see we've got the Sky Lounge sunroof, and we have an accessory port on the back of each front seat with a USB Type-C charging port. We also have some pockets down here. Winter mats are already installed with more vents underneath the front seats. And we also have some rear climate controls with heated seats for the 2 outer positions. There's a little storage area here, and we have a 12-volt plug at the bottom, but it's kind of dark. And if I go ahead and shut the door, you'll see that they also soft close. Now if I go to the front passenger door, open that up. Inside, you'll see that we have the nice stitching going across the top. We have unlock, lock, window switch, Tacora Red, carbon fiber trim, speaker, pocket, aluminum M door sill down here. We have your full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And headrest is also power adjusted. The only thing that can be manually adjusted is the folding of the seats. Now, if you look onto the dash here, nice soft touch materials with some stitching going across, tons of carbon fiber, new style vent controls, X6 interaction light bar, illuminated glove box, some lighting in the footwells with the winter mats. We also have the curved display with iDrive8.5. We have some more vents down here. Nice Tacora Red padding on the side here. If I open that compartment up, you'll see that there is a wireless charger, USB-A cup holders that are heated and cooled, and a 12-volt plug. We have glass push start button, gear selector, iDrive controller, and if I press this, you'll see that we also have a USB Type-C charging port inside of there. So let's shut that, and we'll shut this door, and we'll go to the driver's side next. Beauty. All right, so if I open up the front driver door, inside again we've got the beautiful stitching going across, tailgate open, tailgate closed. That only works with the keys inside. I call this the gentleman's button, so if you press this, driver controls control the passenger seat, so you can make some adjustments for them. We also have memory on the driver's door, unlock, lock, all your window controls, side mirror controls, big pockets down here with more carbon fiber, another aluminum M door sill. This is what comes from the factory to protect the carpets, but we're just using it today to protect the mats. Another look at those full power seats with the Sky Lounge sunroof. And we have the M Sport steering wheel, head-up display. And this one does have the optional advanced driver assist. So it does have the full suite of assisted driving plus. And over here, you'll see that we have exterior lighting controls, a little storage compartment. There's your pedals, There's your dead pedal, and right beside is your hood release. So it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. This one has 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have a positive battery terminal. We have a negative battery terminal. We also have some washer fluid over there. And we have 4 strut bars underneath here for some rigidity. We also have 2 latches under the hood so that we can make sure that this hood doesn't open on the Autobahn. So to close this, both latches must latch at the same time. If I bring the hood about halfway, fingers on the rondelle, you don't want to put any fingerprints on the frozen paint. Literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. Car looks incredible. And it will definitely be breaking people's necks, especially just the overall presence of this vehicle on the road and the fact that it is frozen black. And now that we're at the back, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. You can really hear that grumble there from the B58. And 1, 2, 3 again on the lock button to turn it off. So there's the active grille shutters opening up, top and bottom. And you'll notice that once it's done breathing, these are going to close again, just like that. So that's what it looks like. And now that we've had a chance to see all the way around the vehicle, how do you like the X6 Nightfall Edition in frozen black? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I wanted to just bring this thing outside and do one more lap in the sun. Plus, it's not raining or gloomy out today, so let's take advantage of that. Look at how beautiful this vehicle is. And you know what? It's been out here warming up for a bit. Let's get a couple of exhaust revs. That sounded nice. By the way, if I look at the Nightfall Edition product bulletin, it literally says, pro tip, on full throttle, shift above 5,000 RPMs for an overrun pop. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i Nightfall Edition in frozen black with the Tacora Red black interior, 22-inch 742s in black, red calipers, carbon fiber stuff. This car is awesome. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.